Just let them know that we have a finite amount of time on this planet, and you can be viciously mediocre, or you can get the fuck after it.
I feel like Bobby Fischer, always 4 moves ahead of my competition. Listen, they ain't gonna stop me ever. I feel as large as Biggie.
So we are down here at Camco. Sun's come out finally. Boys are like halfway through already, cracking into the canopy, and they're also doing a 12-volt setup as well. So gonna get you set up with power, inverter, all that good stuff. So we can run our fridge and all our camping gear, and hopefully charge batteries and that sort of thing as well. So I'll show you what they've done so far. The canopy is about ready to go on. Lads have done all the mounting, looking pretty solid, and they're running all the cabling as well. Just had a mean weekend, just went out and saw some dolphins. Had a mean weekend of a bit of beach launching, bit of camping. Loving this Camco canopy. Thing is next level. Literally mounted everything to it. It's perfectly flush with the ridge back on it. Easy to fucking use. All the doors push button open. Got my Eco XGS speaker mounted up there. That's for party. No, yeah. Quiet beats. Got the projector inverter, my fridge here, my drawers. Bit of a mess at the moment packing up, but yeah, it's a nice, simple, easy setup. Mounts all the tent and the awning real well. It's all round, it's a win from me. The perfect canopy for camping setup. It's been perfect. Everything mounts real easy. Everything's real open and big. You can get in there nice and easy. Perfect camping, especially with the rack. It's made easy.